Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming which stick drifts and under what conditions. That narrows causes fast. Once done, power cycle the controller and the host. Make sure to test wired and wireless modes. You should note firmware and model because calibration steps differ by make and OS. Then run a quick dead zone test in-game or in calibration software to capture how far the input deviates. This baseline saves time, so you can compare results after each intervention and avoid repeating steps unnecessarily. You now move into detailed cleaning and inspection. This is the core fix for most stick drift. Carefully open the shell using the right driver and lay parts out in order so reassembly is painless. Once exposed, inspect the stick module for dust, corrosion, or worn pads. Use 90% isopropyl and a soft brush to remove grime, then actuate the stick while cleaning to reach hidden contamination. Make sure to avoid letting fluid pool on sensors and apply minimal lubricant only to mechanical pivots. You finish by reassembling and updating firmware, which often resolves lingering offsets. After that, run the manufacturer calibration tool or a platform utility and follow on-screen prompts until axes read centered. If drift remains, adjust dead zone and sensitivity settings as a last software measure. Finally, if hardware still misbehaves, source a replacement stick module or pursue warranty repair. And remember one troubleshooting tip. If drift appears only on battery power, test with a new battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.